Richard Radke here. Today I'm going to do a review on the advantage of multiple income funnel. So first of all, let me show you all the advantages that you will get once you join this great opportunity. You go here and you see all the links you get. And basically the links, that means the capture pages and the links to use which capture ever you want to. I use more than one. It depends where I'm posting them. Then you also have all kinds of training included in it. You have your weekly training calls. You have your training to show you how to do better marketing. All that's included. Then if you go back here and you go into 7 steps of training, it gives you all the advantages. Like first lesson is how to improve your personality. And then the second one is how and where to get traffic and how to do follow-up, how to do YouTube, how to do Facebook ads, and blocking your time, and a whole bunch more bonuses. So that's all included. Then you go to and you go here, and you'll be able to see all the leads that you're getting, and all the email addresses, so you can do follow up with them. And of course, the company does follow up too to help you get them into the system. Then you have a leaderboard. It shows you who the leaders are, and then you have resources. Resources is another one where you can get, it gives you sample follow-up emails that you can use. So that's kind of nice, gives you ideas. And then if you click on there, it shows you all your businesses and bonus systems and so on. And then if you keep going, you know, it says to start here. First step is to go here, and first of all, you watch this video. It shows you about the opportunity and how to get signed up and everything. And once you're in that one is the main one. Right now it's on a special. It's usually $97, but right now it's on for half price, $49 a month. And if somebody joins you under that, you make $20 commission. Then there's also a yearly option available, which costs you $350. And if somebody joins you under that, you make $200 commission. So that's the route I took, because you make quite a bit extra money, and you do save quite a bit throughout the year. Then you have option 2 and option 3, which I put in there. Mine are each under $10 a month, and you can use them if you want, or you can use your own. If you have none, you can use those if you want. Then you got step 4, which is Traffic Authority, a great place to get great leads. They've been in business for over 10 years. And then I also have a bonus lead system that I use, which costs me $1 a day, and I get 30 leads a day. So that at the end of the month, I got 3,000 leads, and I can email them every day, which I do. And that's all included in that system. So I'm thinking this is really a great system, and all the advantages that you get. I don't really know what else I could tell you. And I'm also going to include how to get started on the bottom, and also a link to watch this video, which Matt does a very good job. It's a 21-minute video. He explains everything very well. And with that same link, you can click on to get started. So I think that's all I'm going to tell you for today. So I hope you're having a great weekend. Bye for now.